Okay, guys, so I am doing a deep conditioner on my son's hair using um my own product, which is my Sweet Almond Conditioner. I have been sick for a week, and my son has neglected his own hair. If I don't do it, he's not doing it, and if he's doing it, he's just spraying it and brushing the top. So his hair is matted. He's been rocking a ponytail, and I told him when I get to it, I better not hear nothing. So right now I'm just treating his hair. It's not soaking wet. I sprayed it with a spray bottle, and now I'm just taking a conditioner and I am putting it in. And as I'm putting it in, I am spreading it apart, opening it up, getting it everywhere. But as you can see, it is matted, and this boy don't care nothing about his hair because he knows mommy's gonna take care of it. So bless him. So I'm gonna just keep saturating the conditioner in his hair, and we are going to I'm gonna probably spray it again. I probably sprayed it again. His hair was so dry, it was so thirsty. And he swore he was cute. Bless you. Those allergies. He swore he was cute with a matted ponytail, but let's pray he learns how to take care of his damn hair.
Sadly, I hardly ever know who they are until they've been here. Like, they're here for level 5, and it's like, I've seen you around here a lot.
So what I did after I saturated his hair and put it through, I just started combing it through from the ends up to the scalp. Just combing and conditioning through it. As you can see, it's detangling with no problem. He's not crying, he's not complaining, because when I do his hair, he has a fit because it goes so long. But as you can see, the comb is going right through it. And on the comb, it's such this dead hair because our hair sheds a lot. And shedding is normal, so I didn't panic. Don't panic when your hair sheds. So as you can see, I'm just detangling it. His curl pattern is so amazing. The comb is going straight through. I'm just trying to show you guys that. No crying, no fit. And usually we be tussling in this chair. Old school pop in the hands. We tell him I have to fight him, put him in a headlock. But he's doing good. As you can see, his curl pattern is amazing. But it's going right through. So his hair has been rinsed off with cool to warm water. I don't use cold water because it shocks the hair. I didn't put any more oil in his hair. We're going to actually start to blow dry his hair. But as you see, his curl pattern is bouncing. It looks healthier, it's shinier. I'm glad I got my damn son back. Sorry, camera. Just want to show you a little bit more. Yeah, so we're going to start blow drying. I'm happy to have my son back. Jesus.